it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm all set to do 4 more coasters again today. And I'm going to do something today that I haven't done in a while. I'm going to do a chain pull. It's been quite a while since I've done that, but let's see how it goes. I've got my little tiles here, all 4 of them sitting on the spinner. I just like to have the spinner. I probably won't spin this. Maybe I will. I don't know. But in case I want to, it's all set. And it's also easy to just turn it around and I can get all 4 of them done and have them right here in front of me so that I can make sure that they all go together well as a set. So they're level. And I'm just going to put some Artist Loft paint on them. I already did the sides that are closest together before I put them down because they're kind of hard to get to once they're down here. So when you're doing a chain pull or a string pull, you don't want to have too much paint on your surface because it just makes for big puddles everywhere. And we don't want to go there. If you've ever tried this, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But this is just some Artist Loft white with a little bit of satin enamels. It's my basic base coat for most of my paintings. It's mixed with Floetrol and glue. It'll all be down in the description box for you when I'm done. I'll get it in there. Sorry. I tend to start thinking about what I'm doing and forget to talk to you guys. That's why I play music when I'm doing most of the intricate work on my paintings. Because it's hard to do both for me. I try, but it's not always easy. I get in the zone, and that's that. But these coasters, these tiles, I pick them up at Lowe's, and you can get them at pretty much any hardware store, and you can get them delivered oftentimes, depending on where you're going for them. And then I will put a coat of resin on them when I'm done. After they cure, make sure it's a heat resistant resin so it not only protects the paint, but it will also be okay under a hot cup of coffee or tea. Or even, depending on how heat resistant your resin is, if you wanted to use one of these as a trivet. Or get larger tiles and do the same thing and do a trivet. I've been thinking about doing that, but then I bought some molds. I'll have to show you those too, that I am making trivets with out of resin. So anyway, the colors I'm using today are the same ones I used on another video. If you saw the other coaster video that I did with the balloon kisses. I have DecoArt Metallic Green. There's just a little bit of the Garnet left. The DecoArt Metallics Garnet. This is DecoArt Metallics 24 karat gold. Artist Loft Purple Metallic. And just the white. That's it. That's all I'm using on these today. I think. I'll let you know if I decide to add anything else. I'll let you know what color it is in the description or in the video. Okay, I'm going to put some music on so I can concentrate, and we'll go from there. I decided to add some other colors in. I'm going to add in some neon green from Artist Loft, neon blue from Artist Loft, and pearl rose from Arteza. And I think I'm going to also add in some metallic cobalt blue from Artist Loft. I need more colors. So I've got your chains, and I'm going to just put the color right on them like this. I'm going to do the greens separate. At least that's my plan so far. I've never done this on a canvas this small before. Not really a canvas, obviously, they're tiles, but I think, considering I haven't done them in so long, not bad at all. They came out kind of cute. Again, another springy look. I think they're pretty bright and cheery. And hopefully they'll dry nicely. I have no doubt that they will. They really don't have a lot of paint on them. Like I said, you can't do a lot or you have puddles. And whoop, sorry about that. And the puddles, there aren't any, so that's good. Struggled a little bit here and there, but all in all, I think they came out pretty good. They'll get resined, like I said, cork on the back, and they'll be ready to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. I really appreciate it. And enjoy the rest of your day. Do something nice for yourself. Treat yourself well. Self-care is important, especially in the world today. There's so much going on out there. And I'm just kind of trying to spread the light and love. Send it out there into the world. It's so needed right now. Anyway, till next time, I love you all. Take care. Bye.